Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my sister is going to be installing my hair, and it's going to be a full frontal hair. She just started learning how to install hair, so this is the first time she's installing my hair, and it's going to be a gel up. So let's see how she's going to do and then rate the results. Yeah, so it's going to be a full frontal gel up. Yeah. So over here, I didn't even know that my mic was not on. I had to turn my mic on. So over here, she has started. I'm going to hand over the mic to her to tell us how and the steps she's using to achieve this result, the process that she's going to use. So I'm going to hand over the mic to her to start.
Hi guys, my name is Bella and I'm going to install my sister's frontal gel up. So I've been installing people's hair too, so I just want to try on her. So here I pack the hair, then I just bring out some parts, then I apply the gel and tie it with rope. So I bring another part, then I tied the hair with rope.
You guys, over here, she's applying gel on my hair and she's packing it up. Yeah, and then she's brushing it, and she's now trying to dry my hair with hair dryer. I don't really know if it's shyness that she's being shy. I don't know why her voice is low. I don't know what's happening, but then again, I'm trying to do my makeup here. I was just lining my eyebrows and doing my lip combo while she was preparing to put the frontal. So you guys, I think she was applying the glue they use in frontals. That's what she's applying while I was busy doing my makeup. So she's still trying to apply the glue. I decided to do a pink lip combo. Yeah. So this is the frontal she's going to be using. Yeah, I think the glue has dried. Yeah, it has dried. Then she's applying tint. I think that's tint before she lays the frontal. Yeah, so I was just chill waiting for her as she does her work. Let's see how it's going to turn out. That was my own. So she added more glue here. I don't know why, but I think she added more glue to make it stick in properly. But I think after that, she still blow dried it because it was blow dryer that she used to dry the glue. So she added more glue here and blow dried it and then sticked the frontal to it. At this point, I'm still trusting the process to see how it goes. If you can see, I was with a mirror. Over here, I'm feeling myself because, yeah, it's getting together. So, yeah, I'm still trusting the process, and I was already seeing that it's going to be nice and good. Yeah, so she's brushing out some little parts that she's going to use to do she's going to use it and lay the edges. Yeah, I think that's what that one was meant for. And then she's blow drying. She's now tying it. She tied this thing very, very tight. I don't know why, but it was so tight. My head wanted to blow off because the thing was very tight. I didn't like it, but then again, we go. She's applying gel on my hair. With she applied gel on my hair before she now added the frontal. She's now applying more gel, and she's applying this spray. I think this spray helps hold it together and stronger. Yeah, I don't know, but that was how she did it. And then she started drying it again. So this is the weave-on. Yeah, the weave-on she's going to be using for the gel up. Oh yes, I'm feeling myself here because it was getting together already. So she has separated the weave-on and she's now putting it on my hair. That place she tied all my hair, that's where she's adding this weave-on. She's using a thread and a needle to put it. You guys, I was very, very tired here. I was already drinking vitamin to replenish my energy. And yeah, my friend came around. My friend was around here. She was making me laugh. So it was looking good already, guys. That's all I can say. She was trying to lay my edges here. As you can see, everything is looking fine already. And my friend was giving me the gist of all that. She told me she got a contract. Yeah, she's a baker, so she was telling me that she got a contract and we are now planning how to carry it out, how to deliver. She does chops. I think the contract was all about chops and other things. I was just hoping that this girl doesn't use this thing to put it in my eye and I don't know. But yeah, I was still talking with my friend and laughing with her. But yeah, this is good. She used Moss to kind of like clear the edges. I was with my mirror. I wanted to be seeing everything. So you guys, this is it. I loved it, by the way. So tell me what you think about this. Rate her over 10 and tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll be dropping more videos, guys. Thank you, and drop a comment for me.